a 4-size sheet. 2 red colored a 4-size sheet. 1 sky blue colored a 4-size sheet. 1 black colored a 4-size sheet. 1 yellow colored a 4-size sheet. 1 golden glitter a 4-size sheet. 16 white pearls, white thread, favicol and glue gun. Let's get started. Take cardboard and cut into circle shape. Like this. Cut black sheet same as cardboard shape. Put glue on cardboard. Join circle shape black paper on cardboard. If you want, you can also paint it black to hide the edges. Take red a 4-size sheet, fold them from corner, and fold again. And cut with the help of scissors. Now cut the folded part as well. Fold them from every side like this. Mark with the help of pencil. And shape them like flower. Take another paper and make another flower. Round the edges of first flower with scissors. Both flower. Let's make pistil of flower. Make multiple flower with multiple colored paper. Let's make cone for decoration. Fold and cut paper in circle shape. them like cone. Similarly, make cone with glitter paper. Make multiple cone with multiple colored paper. Deck thread. Put thread into needle. And pass needle inside cone. Take pearls and pass needle into pearls. Put flowers on cardboard shape with the help of glue gun. Take all threads and put on the cardboard shape. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.